breaking the wall of insect conservation. Claudia Patricia Mamani Medina, Falling Walls Lab, Bolivia.
Conservation. I'm pretty sure that not all, but many of you, when you hear this word, you think on a place like this one. And that's pretty good. But now, when you hear the word conservation, you're going to think on a place like this one, a city. Because a city is also an ecosystem. And now I'm going to show you how we can help to conserve species in the cities from our home. And for this, I'm going to show you this, dragonflies. Dragonflies have a superpower. They have polarized vision, and this means that they can detect the degree of reflected light on a surface. And this can help them to find water bodies where they can reproduce and lay their eggs. And well, this is very awesome because even we, the humans, can do that. But now, this superpower is also their kryptonite. And this is because actually exists many objects that are more brighter and attractive than a water body. And now their vision makes them prefer to lay their eggs on these wrong places before than a good one. And this can lead to a failing reproduction and into a decline on the insect population. Well, this wrong decision is known as an ecological trap of polarized light. The good news are that, well, now we can try to communicate with the dragonflies to know what is the color of their kryptonites. So, for example, for this, we can set an experiment with different colors, like in this case, where we discovered that the dark and bright materials are the traps or the kryptonites for these dragonflies. And with this information, now we can search what elements in the city can be the potential traps. And now the question is, well, how to disarm an ecological trap? Simple, making the trap look less attractive. Like an example, we have the solar panels that typically they are a dangerous trap for dragonflies. But to save the dragonflies, we don't need to destroy these solar panels. No. We just need to make a little adjustment. We can add non-polarized white gridding, or with another objects like windows or tiles, we can just avoid using these dark, smooth, and bright materials. And this is how we can help to conserve species. But now, maybe you're thinking, oh yeah, dragonflies, they're kind of cute, but what does a dragonfly for me? Well, they can assess the water quality, they can control the pests on the crops, and they can control vectors of disease, like mosquitoes. So they're very important to conserve. And now, as you can see, we don't need to go to a far, far away place to help to conserve species. We can do conservation in cities. Thank you so much.